OnePlus has officially confirmed its summer launch event will take place on July 8, including the Nord 5 and Nord CE5. New Nord 5 is basically a rebranded global version of the Ace 5 Ultra Edition. You get a flat front display and a flat rear panel with rounded corners. The back also has a vertically stacked dual camera setup and an oval-shaped module. It comes in white, GPLD and black color options. The phone may also ship with an IP65 rating for basic dust and water resistance. The OnePlus Nord 5 is said to come with a 6.83-inch AMOLED display offering a 120Hz refresh rate. It could be powered by the Snapdragon 8's Gen 3 chipset, paired with either 8GB or 12GB RAM and 256GB or 512GB of internal storage. Camera setup includes a 50-megapixel main camera and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens. A 50-megapixel selfie shooter. The phone reportedly packs a 5,200 mAh battery with support for 80W Superbook fast charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.